Hi, this is TJ Singh, the Sensor and Robotics Specialist. Today, I'm at the EandM Automation Mania in Irvine, California, and I want to introduce you to Yaskawa Motoman. Yaskawa is a global leader in automation and robotic solutions, with an install base of more than 500,000 robots globally. And there are many things that make Yaskawa really unique. Firstly, we have a diverse portfolio of products, which includes collaborative and industrial robots, which can do payloads right from 0.5 kgs and that can go up till 900 kgs, with horizontal reaches can go up to 4.6 meters. There is a solution for every application, be it material handling, machine tending, pelletizing, or welding. We have a solution for that. Secondly, the Smart Pendant makes it extremely easy for new users to get adapted to this programming platform, and you do not require any kind of programming experience. Plus, our Smart Pendants are capable of programming both collaborative as well as selected industrial robots. Talking about collaborative robots, our collaborative robots can go from 10 kg payload up to 30 kgs and can do reach of almost 1700 millimeters. The collaborative robots are IP67 rated and they have options for food grade grease, which means accidental food contact is also not a problem. And finally, to get the most value out of your investment, what you need is support, and that's what Yaskawa provides you. We have field technicians that are deployed 24/7. We have technical support staff 24/7, huge amount of inventories. We also have offline and online training courses, and hence we allow you to optimize the most out of your investment. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at the email provided on the screen. Thank you.